Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to import presets in your Lightroom CC. Open your Lightroom, go to the develop module, and then on your left side you see presets. Right click on it and then click on import presets. Then just find the presets you have saved and then click on it. I have saved it in desktop, so I'm gonna click it here and then import. Once you import it, just go to the user presets and there you find the presets you have just imported, and here are the few presets I have already imported, and I can choose whichever I want. I think this preset is fine. Once you applied the presets, just go to the effects and then make a change according to your requirements. Just here I am going to decrease the exposure so that I get these nice dewdrops. And then I am going to decrease highlights, then contrast, add a little bit of contrast, decrease the shadows, add clarity, and that's it. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and I have few presets for you guys. Link is in the description. Thank you.